Hello friends, myself I am Hardev. Today we have see the chapter number 4 impact object in fluid mechanics and machinery. So in that we can see the last test of fixed plate is impact of jet on curve plate, fixed curve plate. So let's start. So next case is force on stationary curve plate or vanes. So in board exam there is a question, write down the formula force exerted by a jet on the plate when jet strike on the plate at center. So firstly draw there are the two cases when jet strike on the center of plates curve. Due to that strike on center, the plate is stationary, fixed. Okay, so let's start. So firstly draw the diagram. So let's see the consider a fluid jet cross sectional area A and velocity v. Smooth impact on smooth stationary curve plate at center. सो या डायग्राममध्ये काय दाखवलेलं आहे की एक नोझल आहे, एक जेट आहे. सो 180 मायनस थीटा इज अँगल आउटलेट अँगल, थीटा इज इनलेट अँगल, दॅट इज अ कर्व फिक्स प्लेट बट प्लेट इज फिक्स. So there are two direction, v sin theta, v cos theta. So the jet comes out the same velocity v along the curve plate x and y direction, that is a v cos theta and v sin theta. So the mass flow rate is m dot is equal to rho a v. So initial velocity is v1 and final velocity is minus cos theta. So according to impulse momentum reaction, force is equal to mass into initial velocity final velocity. So F is equal to m dot v1 minus v2. So F is equal to rho a v bracket v minus v cos theta, because minus means the direction is opposite to that the flow. So rho a v formula is rho a v square 1 plus cos theta. So similarly in y direction, rho a v initial velocity v, find 0 final velocity is v sin theta. So with the help of that, clear the all in sequence. So firstly write down the derivations. झालं का मला सांगा. So next case is unsymmetrical plate, fixed plate. Unsymmetrical means there is a two angle. Theta is inlet angle, phi is outlet angle. Consider jet velocity v. Consider a jet velocity v striking tangentially at the end. So consider the velocity v striking tangentially to an unsymmetrical curve plate as shown in figure. So there is a inlet angle theta and outlet angle phi. So where is a v sin theta, v cos theta? There is a v sin theta, v cos theta. There is a inlet angle, inlet velocities, v sin phi, v cos phi. There is a outlet angle. So with the help of that, let be the tip of the angle is theta and phi. Initial velocity at inlet vx, v cos theta, vy, v sin theta. So final velocity at exit vx is equal to minus v cos phi and vy is equal to v sin phi. So m dot is equal to rho a v. So fx is equal to rho a v, v cos theta minus v cos phi. So with the help of that, fx is rho a v square cos theta plus cos phi. Similarly, fx rho a v, v sin theta minus v sin phi. So rho a v square sin theta minus sin phi. So write down. So this is a derivation for unsymmetrical plate, fixed plate. Impact of jet on symmetrical curve plate, curve fixed plate. For semicircular curve plate, theta is equal to phi. So all equation will be 0. So fx is rho a v square cos 0, that is a rho a v square. So it is not used in practical practice. So this is also write down. So next, let's see the example on this case. So this, a jet of water 50 mm diameter is moving with velocity 40 meter per second. Strike on a curved fixed symmetrical plate at the center. Find the force exerted by jet on the plate in the direction of jet. If the jet is deflected at an angle 120 degree, an outlet curve. So let's see the theta is more than 90, so 180 minus theta. 180 minus 160 is 212. There is 60. Then diameter of jet is 50 mm, so 0.05. Velocity is 40 meter per second. Then theta is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. So mass is rho a v, rho into pi by 4 d square into v. So there is a 78.54 kg per second. So force exerted by the jet is F is equal to m dot initial velocity minus final velocity. So m dot is equal to v minus v cos theta. There is a v plus cos theta. And the force is 4712.4. So write down this problem. So next angle is a jet of water 5 cm moving with velocity 30 zipping on symmetrical curve fixed plate at the center. Find the force exerted by the jet normal to the jet at an angle 130 degree. So let's see the pi by 4 d square area. Find with the diameter. Phi is more than 90, 180 minus theta, that is theta. So fx is equal to rho a v square 1 plus cos theta. So 2903 kilonewton. So Fy is 0 Newton. So in this way, this problem is, write down this problem. So in this way we completed the 3 cases of fixed plate. Thank you.